Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Introducing myself, Siti Nursyazana binti Mohamad Haszehan. Today, me and my friends would like to presenting our STA104 report about factors of procrastination among UiTM Machang Kelantan students. Before we start, I would like to introducing our group members. Start with, hi, as you know, I am Siti Nursyazana binti Mohamad Haszehan. 2021858286 is my matrix number.
Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arfah Syahirah binti Mohamad Zawawi, and my matric number is 2021-60918.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rabiatul binti Abdul Rasid, and my matric number is 020-121-4274.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Khairulainin Sofiya binti Mazlan. My matrix number is 2021872454.
The act of procrastinating is described as delaying high priority tasks to prevent low priority ones from getting in the way. It can also be defined as avoiding important tasks. When you spend time socializing with your friends or family rather than working on an important assignment that is due soon, you can be considered procrastinating. Procrastination can occur for a variety of reasons. Students that procrastinate are unable to manage their time well. It implies that they are not certain of their priorities, goals, and objectives. It's common for us to procrastinate because it offers a short respite. As soon as we wake up the next day, however, we realize there are still things to accomplish. Work should be started as soon as possible so that you develop a habit of doing so. The study was conducted with the objective to evaluate the role of procrastination in differing academic, analyze the effect of procrastination on the learning of university students, examine the factors of contributing to procrastination among university students, investigate the academic problems caused by procrastination among university students, also to study the demographic profile of respondents. Figuring out how to get rid of procrastination, determine the favorite activities of pupils during their leisure time, and identify majority of students who procrastinate on an assignment, also the number of students who have a negative impact from procrastinating, and opinion of university students about social effect of procrastination. Last but not least, figuring out the time taken by the student to complete an assignment. There are qualitative and quantitative data to the methodology used in this report. Qualitative data are assessed by 8 questions in the questionnaire, whereas quantitative data are assessed by 1 question.
In sampling method, we use certified sampling for our data collection, which is we divide the population into several mutually exclusive strata and then we randomly select the sample from each strata. The population is divided into strata such that units within strata are homogeneous and different between strata that is heterogeneous. We made an online questionnaire for the survey. As you know, we use sampling technique in this report. Based on the slide here, the stratified sampling that you could refer. Based on our report, we managed to get 100 respondents from UiTM Machang students from Part 2 diploma. We divided them into small groups, which is faculties and gender. We have 4 faculty, which is accounting, business and management, computer and mathematics science, and lastly, art and design. So for the data collection method, we use is Google Form. It is easier for us to see the respondent. It is also fastest way to get the answer, so we don't have to wait in a long time. It also less cost. We don't have to use the money or anything that make a cost. The response automatically received. With this, the information won't be left. And lastly, it take less time to create the survey questions. For data presentation or the survey, we use 4 graphs, which is pie chart, bar chart, histogram, and OGIVE.
Here is the pie chart. The pie chart showing the percentage of students based on the gender. We can see here that 80% were female and 20% left were male. Next, this blue pie chart showing the percentage of 100 students from different faculty. We can see that the most and the highest number of students among faculties are from Faculty Business and Management with 73%. The second highest is Faculty of Accountancy is 11%, and the Faculty of Art and Design is 9%, while the Faculty of Computer and Mathematical Science is 7%, which is the lowest one. The third pie chart was showing the percentage of the factors of procrastinations among students. Most of the students choose always on social media as a factor of procrastinations between them. As a proof, we can see that the highest percentage was always on social media, which is 40%. And the second highest was the last minute factors, which is 20%. The orange pie chart showing the percentage of academic difficulties caused by procrastinations. The highest percentage was low academic performance with 34%, and the second highest was lack of knowledge with 30%. We can see here that the difference between both of the percentage was only 4%. The next pie chart was in green color and was showing the percentage of the best way to overcome procrastinations. The highest number of the best way to overcome procrastinations was take a small and planned break with 39%, and the lowest one was 11%, which is have a change of scenery. Most of the students love to take a small and a planned break. This is the last pie chart. This pie chart shows the societal consequences of procrastinations. According to this pie chart, greater students with 55% thought that the societal consequences of procrastinations are search for a shortcut. Next, the second highest is the mirror practice with 20%, and 13% students chose addictions as the societal consequences, while the last 12% chose demotivated.
The diagram above shows the histogram of time taken to complete an assignment given by a lecturer. Here we can see at the time taken 1 to 2, the number of students is 13. At the time taken 3 to 4, the number of students is 54. And at the time taken 5 to 6, the number of students is 33. The highest number of students, which is 54 students, at the time taken 3 to 4, this shows that 54 out of 100 students use 3 to 4 hours to complete an assignment given by a lecturer, while the lowest number of students is 13 students at the time taken 1 to 2. This shows that only 13 out of the 100 students use 1 to 2 hours to complete an assignment given by a lecturer. The diagram above shows a less than ogive showing time taken for students to complete an assignment given by a lecturer. Since this is where the ogive begins on the horizontal axis, the data set's minimum value is 0.5. In the ogive, the time taken less than at 0.5, the number of students less than is 0. Next, the time taken less than at 2.5, the number of students less than is 13, and so on due to the addition of students. Lastly, because of the ogive terminates on the horizontal axis at 6.5 hours, so the data's maximum value is 6.5, which is 100 of students. Here is data analysis. There is mean, median, mode. Mean is 3.93, approximately 4 hours. Therefore, students take an average of 3.93, approximately 4 hours to complete an assignment given by a lecturer. For median, it is 3.98, approximately 4 hours. So, students take an average of 3.34, approximately 4 hours to finish a lecturer's assignment, and another 50% take less than 3.98 hours. For Mohd, it is 3.66, approximately 4 hours. So, the majority of the students take 3.66 to 4 hours to finish a lecturer's assignment. Variance deviation is 1.6969 and standard deviation is 1.30. Therefore, the average time it takes students to finish a lecturer's assignment is 1.30 hours. The shape of distribution according to schoolness is 0.44. As a result, the symmetrical shape of the time taken distribution is obtained. We received 100 responses from students who were chosen in the methodical manner using a stratified sample methodology. Many students require 3 to 4 hours to complete a lecturer's assignment. The majority of students spend their free time playing video games. Furthermore, most students experience unfavorable consequences when they postpone. They also believe that taking a small and planned break is the greatest method to fight procrastination. Not only that, the students also thought that the difficulty of procrastination in academic is low academic performance and the societal consequences. Finally, they believe they are always on social media for too long, which might result in procrastination.